what's up? Welcome back to another video. It is 3 in the afternoon and I am barely starting off the vlog because we are going to be doing a evening with us kind of vlog today because it's been 7 days since I vlogged and we're not going to do that 2025. I just got a little bit overwhelmed with work and stuff. There was some changes, as you guys saw in the last video that I uploaded, but they are good changes and I'm getting used to them. So I just needed to like adjust and stuff. We just pretty much weren't doing anything fun, but I figured today I would because Bert has to do some stuff on the truck. I am starving. So we're gonna go pick up food right now. I just got out of work. I'm in line to pick up Grecia from school. I'm so happy to be working where I'm working at. What I did before back home, I loved it. Like learning how to sew and being a seamstress and stuff was amazing because it's something that I had never done before and I was able to learn it so fast. But teaching and like being a teacher has always been something that I've wanted to do ever since I was a little kid. And although I might not work at a big school or like, you know, at a school district and it's just a daycare, I'm freaking teaching pre-K, like pre-K 3. So I need to literally form these kids' brains and teach them all they should know so that by the time they go to kinder, they're like ready with it. So I love it, to say the least. I love being in there. I love that I am that like role model for them and I'm able to teach them the way that I did with Grecia. It was so much fun teaching her. Like, you guys know, if you guys have been following me for a long time, I literally had like little posters with the colors, the ABCs and everything for her in her room back home. I'm just so happy that I'm able to do that with these kids too. But I'm rambling already. I'm gonna wait for Grecia to get out of school, so you guys will see her in just a second when she comes out. Good afternoon, stinker booty.
Good afternoon.
How was your day?
Good, I got this magazine.
Another one?
Uh-huh.
What for?
They like us reading.
Oh wow. How
So
was
we
your
can be
day?
quiet, but that never helps because I read out loud.
Oh my gosh.
I'm excited for tomorrow.
What's tomorrow?
Friday.
Sit back and buckle up.
And you know what else is tomorrow?
What?
The lunch with Miss Reisman.
Does that mean you passed your test?
I don't know.
So how do you know you're eating lunch with her?
I didn't say I was eating lunch with her.
Well,
I just said that tomorrow's the lunch.
oh.
She says that to the whole class.
Oh, the whole class gets to eat with her?
No, what? No.
So then?
She tells the class that whoever meets the goal gets to eat with her. She tells the whole class.
So my question is, did you meet your goal?
I'm not gonna tell you till we see Daddy.
Really?
Sorry. Okay, I got to know.
Okay, well buckle up because we're about to get on the main.
Here's a review if I passed my math test.
Whoa.
Ready?
Okay, we just picked up Daddy.
My score last time. This is my score last time.
Your score last time was 192.
My goal
Is 198.
what I got
205?
What?
What?
I got the highest in my class.
You got the...
Bro, use your words.
What can I get started for you?
Can I get 2 doubles, no onion, and no tomato? And let me get 1 animal style fries, and then let me get another double, plain and dry with no cheese.
Okay.
And an extra large Coke.
Extra large Coke, you got it. All right, that'll be $24.63. That first window, please.
Yeah.
We're at the store. Berto is gonna get a drink.
And he's gonna buy me an ice cream.
Did you eat my chips?
After I make my TikTok. Berto.
Míralo. Robando mi dinerito. Buy me something. Oh, buy me. You know what? Look at the best fries in the whole wide world. Look at this juicy burger. We're gonna eat now. On today's episode of Be Dandy with Bert, we're going to put some light bulbs in the truck. Bless you. Bless you. So we came down to the truck to put the new light bulbs on the truck because we ordered some new ones. And it's really cold. I'm cold. Bert says that he's not cold, that this isn't cold. But we had dinner and then we saw this second to last episode of Landman. We're obsessed with that show. And then I told him right now I need to pack our bags, like a weekender bag, because we're gonna go home this weekend. We will be leaving right after Grecia and I get out of work and school tomorrow. And then I want to take a shower, do my skincare routine with you guys, and then finish watching the season finale of Landman.
This is the one that's going out.
Does it look busted like a light? And that's the new one?
Yeah, for now. Because the good ones of these are like $150.
Oh no. I went inside to get my sweater because it's freezing, like I said. And I already came back outside to my husband telling me that they sent him the wrong light. We are not able to put the right lights on the truck, which is a bust. But whatever, we'll just reorder the ones that we need and problem solved. And I know several of you have asked for a tour of Grecia's room, or like a room tour of her room. I will do that, but I'm just waiting on her blanket because I still haven't bought one yet. But as soon as I buy like the right blanket, then I will do that for you guys, because her room is pretty much done already. I'm just missing that one little thing to like complete it all and stuff. One thing that I always do the night before is pack Grecia's lunch for school the next day, so that I'm not like running around the next morning. And I usually always make her like, she'll either take chicken fries, chicken nuggets, or a Nutella sandwich, but that's basically what she's been taking. And then she also wants to make these for dessert, I guess. Alright guys, so I know that I had mentioned that I was gonna do, or that I had bought her a lot of clothes. This is a lot of the stuff that I got her, and they're like sets and stuff. Like I was saying, those are a bunch of the like little shirts that I had bought her and stuff. Miss Girl was supposed to come pack her stuff for the weekend, but she's too busy playing Roblox with her friends from back home. And I think we're leaving obviously tomorrow. I don't know if we're coming back Saturday or Sunday, but I'm going to pack an outfit for Saturday, which is going to be that one, and then just something comfy for her to come back Sunday or Saturday. I'm just gonna take her this warm-up set, and it has the matching pants. I'm gonna take her New Balance shoes so that she can wear with the blue set, and then I'm gonna take her boots so that she can wear with the sweater and the jeans. And then we have to go to her bathroom and pick out her hair stuff. The first part of my skincare is always taking off my waterproof mascara, because I do wear waterproof mascara to work so that my curl doesn't fall down, because I have naturally straight lashes and I curl them, and in order for them to stay up you need to wear waterproof mascara. Anyways, I use the Very Cherry by Pharmacy makeup removing balm to take off my makeup, or at least just my eye makeup. But you just put it on your eye like this, and then this literally like melts the waterproof stuff right off. Then look at that. There you go. It looks crazy, I know. Look at my bronzer and stuff, but that is basically what this stuff takes off. Can you guys imagine if you walked around like this? That would be absolutely crazy. So I'm gonna do the other eye, take off the other eye, and then look at how crazy that is. That's insane. So I'm gonna take a quick shower, and then I'll see you guys in just a second. And I'm out. So now that I look completely dead, you guys can probably hear music outside. It's my husband. But I'm gonna show you guys everything that I use on my face. I used to have, if you guys can see like this little scar here, I used to have really bad acne scars, and I feel like from far away you can't see them anymore. I started using this, I think it's Good Molecules discoloration correcting serum. It improves the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. I started using this on my skin, and I just like rub it into my cheeks, my chin, basically all over my face. I don't care where I put this. I literally put it everywhere. I use this on my under eyes religiously. I know you guys can't see it, but it's the avocado eye brightening retinol cream thing. And then I put a little dab of this on my under eye, pat. And I had been getting like dry patches underneath my eyes for a while, and because I stopped using this, I started using it again and it just took off the dry patch. Now I just go in with my moisturizer that I also need to go buy more of because I don't have any more. And look how it just leaves my skin so nice and bright. And then this is my husband's, but I'm gonna put it on my lips. Okay, pigment. I have to put deodorant on like 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, like 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 4 times. 4 swipes. Let's go plug Grecia to bed.
I plugged in my phone.
You plug in your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Then we can go into my closet and I'll change into my pajamas. I'm gonna change.
Okay.
Now that I'm done changing, let's move on. Turn off the lights. Let's go. So now let's go to my comfy bed. Bingo.
She's gonna watch Bluey.
Don't judge me. I like it. John 13:34. God help me to love others the way.
It is already 8:30 and I'm going to wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you guys hopefully this weekend. We'll vlog because we have, I guess, some fun stuff to do. We're gonna go visit my mom, my sister, my brother and stuff, my family back home. Maybe vlog next week too. So if there's anything that you guys want to watch in specific, please let me know and we will get those videos out for you guys. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching, for supporting, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.